Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Redmi 12. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and inside find app called NotifyBuddy. Install it. Then when it's ready, click on the open. Now move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Go back, and here last thing is disable battery optimization, and it's optional, you don't need to do it, and also I'm gonna skip it, so let's proceed. From here your app should be ready. You can see 4 different tabs on the bottom. There's user, system, active, and the settings. In user, you can activate any apps and allow them for a custom LED lamp notifications. In system, you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize our LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. Click on the test button and you'll be able to see the LED lamp right there in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.